Hello, good evening and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to catch spike on boom and crash, but whichever the case may be, I will show you one first. If this video is not long enough, I can easily show you the second, but if I'm finding it too long, then I'll have to show you the other strategy on another video. But with that being said, let's go straight into it. Okay, wow, it just spike again here. Okay, since we just experienced a spike in 1000, I can easily go into my trade. Let me just sell with one lot size, take 5 candlestick, and I'm out of that market. I'll tell you why I'm doing that later. And this is a very huge spike. 5 candlestick and I'm out of this market. The main reason I'm shooting this video is to show you how to catch the spike. Okay, let me see. 1500. Okay, so 1500 hours and crash 500. Okay, there might be spike any moment from now and crash 500. So let's see the market, the overall market to see the trend we have. Okay, the market is on reversal now. After a few consolidation, that is 15-minute time frame, tends to be going up. But nevertheless, that doesn't mean we can't experience spike. 30 minutes, fine. The market is on reversal, it's going up, but we can still experience spike at some point, no matter how short or big it is. So let me go back to 15 minutes, 5 minutes, just to be double sure. Now, all the 10 moving averages I said have already cut across the 90 RSI and touch the envelope at the upper part, that blue line for the envelope at the upper part. This, let me quickly show you this side. It has cut across the 90 RSI and is touching the blue envelope line, so meaning there will be a spike any moment from now. So what I will do is that I'm going to enter into a trade. This is 5-minute time frame anyways. Let me check again with my 1 minute time frame. Yeah, as you can see, there will be a spike. That I'm very sure. I haven't considered that. So let's enter into a trade and see if okay, this is my last zoom level. Okay, this is another thing we need to watch out for. Let me set this. Once my candlestick move closer to that red line that I just saw now, then I'll enter into my trade, because any moment from that point, then there will be a spike. Now I've confirmed this, that there will be spike anytime from now, but at the same time I need to look for area where market will reverse, for me to enter into the trade. And now I've marked that out. So let's say in the next 1 or 2 minutes I should be closer to that point, or in 5 minutes time from what I'm seeing here. Let me zoom in. I need to be sure. You just have to be sure. This is 1 minute candlestick, so I have 2.5 minutes. So meaning any moment from now it might spike down. So what I will do is I will just enter the trade. I won't confirm this. Then IS2-3 candlestick, then the spike will occur. So let's go into it straight with my 1 lot size. Let me sell. Okay, like I said, let's check our booth 1000 that I entered earlier. Before we go back to the crash, how many candlesticks do I have now? 1, 2, 3, 4. I've already have like my 5 candlesticks. Okay, what I did was that the moment I noticed there is huge spike, I take in my trade. Count like 5 candlesticks, then I'm out. So now I'll be closing this trade. We are still expecting our spike to occur here. We are still expecting our spike. Meanwhile, like I said, let me just close the trade for the 1000 I entered earlier. I'm closing at $4, which is cool. Do you see that? Let's check. Wow, $7. So I can easily close my trade now. I just make $7 extra, and that is how we go about it. Did you see this spike? Let me show you. Yeah, that is what I consider. That is one. then see the spike here, and that is what gave me that $7. So let me quickly show you how I do the settings. Like I always say, you have to follow the rules, follow the market trend, know where your market, when your market is reversing, know when it's moving in your direction. You have to study the market very well, and by doing so, I assure you, keep milking the market, keep scalping, and by then you keep making your gain through spiking as well. Yeah, I wanted to show you the setting. This is it. I have my relative strength index, I have 10 moving averages, I have envelope. That is it. You can screenshot this, or maybe I should just delete everything. Let me assume I'm starting afresh, then I will do all the settings again one by one. Yeah, play it up for a novice or for a beginner who doesn't really know how to get about the strategies, how to set the candlesticks and how to set up the strategy. You click on this F sign here, it brings you to this page. Firstly, set your moving averages. Okay, this is the last one I did, but let me start from one. Put this on one. Moving average and period 1, shift 0, method exponential, apply to weighted close, then change this to 3. So you do 5 of these. Let me pause the video and show you how I do the 1 to 5. Okay, I'm doing the 5th one now. This is the 5th one. You click on done. Another moving average, and this time around you change this to 6 and change this color to red, and you click on done. Moving average, change this to 7 and done. So you do that till you get to 10 moving average. Okay, and I'm doing the last one now, which is the last moving average. You click on this F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the 9th one. So I'm doing the 10th one. Click on this level indicator windows 1. Then click on moving average and change this 9 to 10. And click on done. So now I have my 10 moving average under indicator windows 1. I have my relative strength index. Now the next one to do is envelope. Click on this F under indicator windows 1. Click on this and click on envelope. You look at the setting. This is the setting you will have. You might not have this if you are doing this for the first time, but screenshot this and follow this setting and click on done. Click on done here. Once you have your settings as this, click on this done. Once you have done, then you will have something like this. Now have this blue line up here and the red line under. You have this blue line here and you have this red line here. Those are the envelope. So the idea is that if all the 10 moving average cut across the 90 RSI and touches the blue envelope at the top, you should be expecting a spike. Once you have something like this here, you should be expecting a spike. Same thing goes for the down. If you are on boom. So what we did earlier is on crash that I got this huge spike. So if you are on boom, maybe I will do another video that will show the boom, but I don't want this video to get too long, and it's 15 minutes already if I'm not mistaken. So I will stop now, show another video that will show you how to trade using the same strategy, but this time around it will be on boom. It could be boom 500, it could be boom 1000. It all works for both. Even it works for boom 300. I prefer trading with 500 and 1000 in catching my spike. Before I forget, let me show you the last strategy, which is the RSI, relative strength index. You can just screenshot it and then do the setting on your phone too. This is the relative strength index, and that's it.
I really appreciate you all for watching this video till the end. Please don't forget to like and share. And if you are a new viewer and you found this video useful, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so that you'll be among the first set of lucky people to get updates the moment I drop another awesome video. But if you are so curious and you really want to grow your account fast in a simple way, then I will urge you to watch any of the video on your screen now to see the step-by-step guide on how to double your account, or should I say how to multiple your profit fast. Alright, till you hear from me in another fantastic video, thank you and stay blessed.